Alright, so here we're going to have a look at how to expand double brackets. And what questions like that look like are like this, x plus 1, x plus 2. So we've got two pairs of brackets that we need to expand. Now the rule is you have to multiply this first term in the first bracket by both things in the other bracket. So we're going to have to do x times x and x times 2. And we're also going to have to multiply the second term in the first bracket by both things in the other bracket. So we're going to multiply it by the x and multiply it by the 2. Those lines are just like a guide that some people like to draw to remind themselves of what things they need to multiply. But yes, we're going to take this first term and multiply it by both of those other things, and then take this second term and multiply it by both those other things. So if we do this little line here first, x times x is x squared. We're then going to do x times 2. Well, x times 2 is 2x. And because it's positive, because we've got a positive x times positive 2, it's plus 2x. And then we're done with this first term here. We're finished with that, and we can move on to the 1 here. 1 times x is just x, or 1x, just x really. And then 1 times 2 is 2, and again it's all positive, so we've put a plus in there as well. Now that's expanded, but typically you'll have to expand and simplify, and there's one part of this that we can simplify because we have 2x here and x here, which means we have 3x altogether. So my final answer would be x squared plus 3x plus 2. Let's look at one that's a bit more complicated. Let's have 2x, that's a bit of a bad x, isn't it? 2x plus 1 in this bracket, and then how about 2x minus 3 in that one? So I'll draw in those lines again as I'm going along this time. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2 times 2 is 4, and x times x is x squared. And then 2x times this 3 over here is going to give us 6x, but that's not just a 3, it's a negative 3 or a minus 3. So 2x times the minus 3 is going to give us minus 6x. We'll then do the 1 times the 2x, which is 2x, and it's positive, so I'm going to plus 2x. And 1 times the minus 3 is minus 3. And then this time when we simplify, we've got a minus 6x in the middle and a plus 2x. And if we start with minus 6x and plus 2, well, now we're only at minus 4. So final answer, 4x squared minus 4x minus 3. Okay, so there's a couple of questions there that you can have a go at if you like. You can pause the video if you do want to have a go, or just keep it playing and I'll talk through the answers. So pause here if you want to have a go at them. And I'm going to talk through the answers. So same as last time, x times x is x squared, and x times 5 is 5x, and it's all positive, so plus 5x. 3 times x is 3x, and that's positive as well, so plus, and 3 times 5 is 15, positive. We simplify it down, x squared plus 5x and 3x is 8x altogether, plus 15. And then this one over here, 2x times x is 2x squared, 2x times 4 is plus 8x, 3 times x, again plus 3x, and finally 3 times 4 is 12, so we simplify down, 2x squared plus 11x plus 12. So all of these were with x's, but it would have been, this question that we did up here would have been basically the same answer if it had been 2a plus 1 and 2a minus 3. The answer would be the same with a's instead of x's. But that's it really, just multiply the first term by both things in the second bracket and the second term in the first bracket by both things in the second bracket, which sounds complicated in words, but really you're just following those lines that I've drawn on all those questions. And just keep an eye out for your signs. Make sure that they're positive when they should be and negative when they should be. And that's it. Hope that helps.